everyone, welcome back to the Auto Mags Pro. Today we're diving into the brand new 2025 Lincoln Motorhome, where automotive elegance meets mobile living. From the outside, the 2025 Lincoln Motorhome is unmistakably Lincoln. The sleek silhouette, chrome-accented grille, and signature LED lighting give it a premium presence on the road. But don't let the style fool you, this is a powerhouse wrapped in sophistication. Step inside, and you'll find what might be the most refined motorhome cabin ever built. With genuine wood trims, buttery leather seating, and ambient lighting inspired by luxury lounges, this motorhome redefines comfort on wheels. The interior layout is intelligently designed to feel open yet functional. The living area features a full-width reclining sofa, a 65-inch OLED smart TV, and built-in surround sound. The kitchen is equipped with a convection stove, dual-zone fridge, and a smart faucet with water usage tracking. At the heart of it all is Lincoln Connect, a centralized touchscreen interface that controls everything from lighting and temperature to window shades and solar input. And yes, it's all voice-activated and synced to your smartphone. In the rear, you'll find a full wet bath with rainfall shower, and a queen-sized bed with adaptive memory foam. There's even a ceiling stargazer window, perfect for remote nights under the stars. Now, let's talk performance. The 2025 Lincoln Motorhome is built on a modified heavy-duty chassis co-developed with Ford's Super Duty series. It's powered by a 3.5-liter twin-turbo hybrid V6, delivering a combined 420 horsepower and 480 lb-ft of torque, more than enough to tow an additional 7,500 pounds with ease. Ride comfort. Exceptional. The air suspension system adapts automatically to road conditions, giving you a surprisingly smooth ride, even at highway speeds. Lincoln's advanced noise-canceling technology ensures near-silent travel inside, no matter the terrain. Up front, the cockpit is a high-tech haven. A panoramic heads-up display, adaptive cruise control, lane centering assist, and 360-degree cameras make driving this motorhome surprisingly intuitive. It even features AutoPark Plus, which can autonomously park the vehicle in tight campgrounds or RV lots. For off-grid adventurers, the Lincoln Motorhome comes with a roof-mounted 1.5 kilowatt solar array, feeding into a 20 kilowatt-hour lithium battery pack. With this system, you can power essentials for up to 3 days without plugging in. So whether you're planning a weekend retreat or a cross-country expedition, the 2025 Lincoln Motorhome offers the luxury, power, and technology to take you there, in style. This isn't just a motorhome. It's a Lincoln. And it's changing the way we travel.